How to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot one-time password for temporary connection on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on connections. After that, we then scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. Then at the top, tap on mobile hotspot, tap on the left hand side panel, then scroll down and tap on one-time password. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Then tap on the left hand side panel to review the password. And here it said you can share this password with guests to allow them to use your mobile hotspot temporarily. The next time you turn on mobile hotspot, the password will be reset. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.